So hello all. So today we you have seen different videos about what is casting, what is single piece pattern, what is double piece pattern, and what are the different tools of casting, what are the different types of sands we have used, right? Now we'll be seeing how to make a single piece pattern. So in this video, you will have a clear idea how to do a single piece pattern mold. So here you can see a on the molding board, a single piece pattern is placed and the split sand is poured, and in the sides is keeping a base, to place a flask on it. Okay, just placed a flask on it, and with the help of the hand riddle, he's riddling the molding sand and pouring into the flask. He has kept a screw pin and is again riddling with a hand riddle and is pouring sand on it, and rammer with help of a shovel is pouring the sand, molding sand into the flask. You can also call it as scoop or drag. And he's rammering with a rammer. You have to ram the sand until it will settle hard on in the coke box. The sand should be slightly wetter, not completely dry. It should be slightly wetter so that it will stick and it will stick properly. So now see he's removing the screw and the runner job, and he's pouring the he's removing the excess sand. Then the mold is turned aside and the pattern is removed. The single piece pattern will be removed. There the mold of the single piece pattern is made after removing it, and it is preheated. The mold is preheated, and then a molten metal is poured inside the pattern. So air blower for removing the excess part. With the help of a vent, they are going to remove this pattern. The drag box is placed, no, on above it. A cope box is placed. Again, the split order is placed all over the cope box.
No.
The same riddle,
ఉంది కదా మంగళవారం
with same riddle,
అసలే
the
రెండు
sand
పీరియడ్లు
is
ప్రతి ఒక్క పీరియడ్కి వచ్చిందన్నమాట.
with the same hand riddle. The excess part of the sand is poured. Riddle. The excess part of sand is poured all over the cope until it is filled and it is rammed again. Similarly, as we have done to the drag box, we'll be doing the same thing over here.
టైం పంపించాలా టైం సార్ దాంట్లో ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది నాది ఒకటే ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది అక్కడ ఓపెన్
So this is how
మీరు మొత్తాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేయండి ఓపెన్ చేస్తే నేను దాంట్లో తీసుకుంటేనే ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది
the help of shovel again you're going to pour the sand and you will be ramming until it is tightly fixed. You have to ram it. You should slightly wet it with the sand, see, and you'll remove the excess part of the metal, excess part of the sand. With the help of strike bar, you're going to remove the excess part of the sand. With the help of a strike bar, you're going to remove the excess part of the sand. And then cope and drag box is fitted properly.
మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వచ్చిందో లేదు చూస్తాం లాస్ట్ అప్లై చేస్తారట మరి క్లాసులు అన్నీ తీసుకున్నాను ఇస్తావా మరి బయోమెట్రిక్ తీసుకున్నారు
With the help of screw pin, you can see how the way is made.
కావాలా వస్తున్నాను మాస్క్ మాస్క్ ఏంటి సార్ ఏంటో ఇస్తారు శశాంక్ అంటారా
You can see how well the single pattern is removed, and then the cope and drag box are again placed on the place. So this is how a molten metal is poured into that place after it is melted. This is called as, the yellow one is called as sprue pin, and from sprue pin they are pouring the molten aluminum metal, and from rice pin you can see the excess part is coming out from the rice pin. See, the yellow part is sprue pin where aluminum metal is poured, and it is still filling. See, from the rice pin the excess part is shown in the rice pin. Okay, and it is left to cool. Okay, after they have letting it to cool, so they are left to cool. So after it is cooled, that's how it is removed, and you can see the mold is formed. Okay, the excess part will be filed and it is cut. You can see how it is cooled. So this is how we'll be doing this experiment. So this is how you'll be doing this experiment of single piece molding. I have even shown the casting, melting metal and casting it. But here in this video, only till molding you will be doing in your first year. After that melting process, this all will be done by mechanical third year students. So you should learn only till molding. So if you will be able to uh, flip the drag box and coke box properly and making the mold properly, then the casting experiment of single piece will be done. Okay, I hope this video has given you idea how to do the experiment. Thank you for watching the video.